Best deals. Slow juicer. It has cold press process for maximum juice extraction and nutrients retention. Can be used to extract juices, prepare smoothies and sorbet. Comes with screw-shaped pulverizing auger to squeeze last drop of juice. Crafted from 240W AC motor and 100% copper motor induction motor with extreme torque to squeeze fruits and vegetables juice to the last extent. It's 100% BPA-free highest food grade plastic jar for your good health and lifelong usage. Snap-on design, 6-step quick disassembly, easy to clean and assemble. Only the filter needs to be simply cleaned with the included cleaning brush, in seconds. Maximum juice extraction. With the use of an innovatively designed filter, we ensure superior juice extraction and an exceptionally high extraction rate. This innovative design guarantees the extraction of every remaining bit of juice, maintaining the optimal preservation of both the fruit's nutrients and flavor. This appliance ensures optimal performance. It is low maintenance and trouble-free and hence the first choice for household use, perfect for a variety of uses such as shakes, purees, cold coffee, cocktails, mocktails, buttermilk, and more. Equipped with high-strength food-grade blades is ideal for grinding dips, batters, masalas, and other culinary creations, operations that are trouble-free and low maintenance. Fully secure and shockproof, anti-skid suction feet, construction that is both strong and small, online pulp remover, engineered ABS plastic body with high shine. With the use of an innovatively designed filter, we ensure superior juice extraction and an exceptionally high extraction rate. This innovative design guarantees the extraction of every remaining bit of juice, maintaining the optimal preservation of both the fruit's nutrients and flavor. Has an inclined outlet ensuring uninterrupted juice flow, reducing wastage. Drinking vegetable juice is a good way to get a lot of vitamins in a natural way. Most vegetables are full of vitamins, such as vitamins A, B, C and E. These are important for your immune system, energy level and cell renewal. Especially if you choose an organic, fresh vegetable juice that is slowly pressed, you give your body a big boost. The best part is that you get them in a natural way, without unnecessary additives. Vegetable juices are full of beneficial nutrients and can be used very well to cleanse. They contain no harmful substances but include minerals like potassium and nutrients like choline which support your liver and kidneys. Replace your daily cups of coffee, cigarettes or snacks with juices and experience how much cleaner, fresher and more energetic you can feel. Replacing certain snacks, drinks or meals with a fresh vegetable juice can also help you lose weight. Vegetable juices contain no fat, sugar or other fattening agents, but because of the many nutrients they contain, they still give you plenty of energy and a satiated feeling. Our juices also contain ingredients that help speed up your metabolism, such as the minerals iodine, zinc and iron. Drinking vegetable juice is delicious. Of course, everyone has different tastes. We do everything we can to make sure that our vegetable juices are not only healthy but also taste delicious. That's why we regularly work with top chefs to make sure that every bottle of vegetable juice gives you a tantalizing taste experience. Cold press juicer operates at a low speed, gently crushing and pressing the fruits and vegetables. This method minimizes heat generation and oxidation, preserving essential vitamins, minerals, and enzymes. As a result, the juice retains more nutrients compared to those produced by traditional high-speed juicers. The cold press process not only preserves nutrients but also ensures the juice has a richer flavor and vibrant color. The reduced oxidation process means the juice can be stored for longer periods without losing its nutritional value or taste, allowing you to prepare larger batches and enjoy fresh juice throughout the day. Slow juicers are incredibly versatile, capable of processing a wide range of produce including leafy greens, hard vegetables, soft fruits, and even nuts. This versatility allows you to experiment with different juice combinations and also prepare nut milks, sorbets, and baby food, expanding your healthy culinary options. Product link is given in the description.